Hi folks, welcome to Testing Hacks. Today we will see what is Big Bang model. So as we know that Big Bang model is a SDLC model, okay, where we do not follow any specific process. So other as we have seen the other models where we will follow each of the steps where from requirement analysis to the delivery. But here we don't have any specific process. It is like randomly we are doing. Okay, the development just starts with the required money and effort as the input and the output of the software developed which may or may not be as per the customer requirement. Okay, the Big Bang model does not follow any process or procedure, and there is a very little planning required. Hmm? Even the customer is not sure about what exactly he wants, and the requirements are implemented on a fly without much analysis. Okay, so usually this model is followed for small projects where the development teams are very small. Suppose, say, if with your interest you want to develop some project, small project, in that case, you will not follow any of the rules and restrictions, right? You will just go ahead and collect whatever the possible requirements, and based on that, the changes could happen. So, this is what the Big Bang model is. Okay, so what are the advantages of Big Bang model then? This is very simple model. Okay. So little or no planning required. Easy to manage. Very few resource required. Gives flexibility to the developers. So suppose say if you are in a learning stage, okay, so in that phase you will not be concentrating on any models. Rather you will just concentrate on what needs to be developed, right? So that is how the Big Bang model is. So it is not followed by many of the MNC companies or companies. You ideally they will follow some of the rules, some of the SDLC models. Okay, so if you randomly want to develop something, in that case you need not to follow any process. So that Big Bang model is the best suitable model. So that is what it is called as. So when it comes to disadvantages of Big Bang model, very high risk and uncertainty. So since without much planning, so when you're not sure when this needs to be, completed or delivered, this proper planning is not there. In that case, what happens? So it might happen the project might get successful or might not. So there is a very high risk and uncertainty, and the effort might go loss. Okay, not a good model for complex and object oriented projects. Okay, poor model for long and ongoing projects can turn out to be very expensive if the requirements are misunderstood. So, as since there is no proper planning, nothing properly designed or taken care in this model, so it is not a good suitable model for to follow. Okay, in the real time applications. So this comes about the advantages and disadvantages of Big Bang model. If you have any questions, please do comment it out in the comment box, and please do like, share the video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please be waiting for further more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.